Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Intel NUC11 Pro NUC11PAHi5 Home and Business Desktop Mainsteam Kit. Short highlight features or overview summary are included. Intel product Barebone, no RAM, no SSD, no OS, no AC cord. Core processor 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7, 2.4 to 4.2 GHz turbo, 4-core, 8-thread, 8MB cache 28W Intel Iris Xe graphics, up to 1.3 GHz, 80 EU units. Specifications: dual channel DDR4 3200 SODIMMs, 1.2 volt, 64 GB max, M.2 x 80 km slot, PCIe X4 Generation 4 NVMe or SATA 3 SSDs, HDMI 2.0b, mini DisplayPort 1.4 ports. Quad display, and 8K support. Interfaces and complete functions: 2x front, 2x rear USB 3.1 Generation 2 ports, USB 3.1, USB 2.0 ports via internal headers, SDXC slot with UHS-2 support. Up to 7.1 multi-channel digital audio via HDMI, DisplayPort, or Thunderbolt 4 signals, 3.5mm front stereo headset jack, beamforming, far-field, quad mic array, with Alexa support. Front consumer infrared port. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews of Intel NUC11 Pro NUC11PAHi5 Home and Business Desktop Mainsteam Kit, please visit the link in YouTube description. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.